All right, hello, my name is Terrence Zamora, and today I'm going to talk about the mind map that I've made in Inspiration, or rather diagram I've made in Inspiration 9. So the topic I chose was fitness, so I named it Let's Get in Shape. And as you can see, I've linked some images there that allude to fitness and its benefits and whatnot. And you'll see there's a dumbbell there starting out as the overall kind of like, hey, this is the fitness thing, and let's talk about getting in shape. And then it goes from there, and there's an opening video that talks about improved health. Let's play this real quick. This is the one that this is a video I developed, and so now it's available on YouTube. Talks about again the benefits of improved health, and it goes through and talks about these slides and the benefits of what it does. And so basically it supports the presentation. More than anything, it's kind of like an overview of what the presentation has, or it's going to have anyways, and it follows along with the map. So it's kind of like if somebody wanted to use this exclusively without the presentation, they could, but it just kind of supports it too. So we go on to increased endurance from exercise and increased emotional well-being, improved diet, so on and so forth, and reaching and maintaining a healthy weight. And then it goes here to the a CDC link to the CDC website where you can calculate your BMI, and how tall you are and whatnot. And then of course the CDC provides other resources and everything, so you can close that out. And so here's a note also at the beginning to play the video to explain the graphics. So this would actually be a pretty good way tool for trainers or people who are going to pitch this presentation to watch the video and then get an idea of how the topic should be discussed before moving on and actually running the presentation. And then over here is another note that just goes ahead and explains the BMI link. So then go to the presentation here. And again, the presentation is pretty close to the video. Oh, yeah, let me go back and escape here. Okay, so again, when you go to the presentation, it's got the opening cover. And again, if this was something that a presenter was going to use, or like it's going to be shared for a slide or something, or sent out to individuals, this would just kind of be for them. And then when you move on to the next slide, so it talks about let's get in shape, and then it goes over the main talking points, as you can see there. And so there's your main talking points. It goes on, and again, we cover some more. It goes more in depth about what those individual photographs represent and what you could do. And again, so here's some more. Yep, there you go. And here's the video again. Actually, no, this is a different video. And this links to a Live Strong video so that they can just get some more information about healthy weight. And again, here's that link that goes to BMI through the CDC. And again, thanks for participating. So, and again, if people wanted to watch the video presentation rather than the slide, or maybe they just feel like let's run through it one more time with the video, I went ahead and linked this, and this links to the actual video on YouTube. So, yep, there we go. So it's got the diagram, the 5 relevant points, the arrows connecting it, as we saw, and the link to the website, or link to a website rather, and so on and so forth. So thanks a bunch. And that's pretty much it. Bye-bye.